Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So gold is right now trading at 1840. This is the current market price of gold here. And as we all know, there was sharp rise on the price of gold and it made a high of around 1846.47. And right now we can see that gold is consolidating. Okay, right now it is trading in a range of 1847 and 1836. This is the range of gold right now. If I take you to the chart of DXY US dollar, then you can see that yes, DXY has taken support at 95.50 level. Yes, to be honest, I thought that gold would break the level and start going. Sorry, DXY would break the level and start going down, but we can see that it has taken support again and right now trading at 95.68. But the problem with the chart of DXY right now is that if we just try to understand the market psychology, if you just try to understand the body language of the candles here, then you can see that right now market does not have the buying power. Okay, the buying power is missing right now at this point. It may come in the evening during the New York session, but right now at this moment the buying power is missing. If I take you to the currency strength meter, okay, you can see that US dollar is green today. It's positive, but still the buying power is missing. Anyways, keep in mind JPY is the strongest currency and odd is the weakest currency. So do not take any long position on odd JPY, odd cat right now because odd is very weak today. So clear? DXY US dollar does not have much buying power. Gold is trading in a range of 1846.47 on the upside and 1836 on the downside. To be honest, okay, if you are looking for safe trading opportunity, then right now you do not have anything on your hand right now, because if you want to go for scalping or if you want to go for day trading, then yes, you can take a buy position when market will bounce from 1836.37 this level, and you can again short the market at this level. This is the only trading opportunity for day trading purpose only. Okay, but if you are looking for some safe trading opportunities, then as I mentioned yesterday, then we do not have much options right now because we will have to wait for gold to reach either hit the level of 1860 or 1870. Around 1870 we have very strong resistance, so there is a good possibility of market reversing from 1870. In fact, around 1860 only market will be facing selling power. So we have got good sellers, heavy selling power, heavy sellers present in this level. You can take a sell position. Okay, but right now if you are looking for safe trading, as I said just now, you do not have much. Yes, you can go for day trading by shorting at 1847.46 and taking a buy position at 1837. That is the only trading opportunity that I see right now. But keep in mind, this is gold. Gold is very lucrative but dangerous also. So without proper confirmation, do not initiate anything. Okay, uh, it means that do not blindly take a buy at 1836. Let it bounce. Okay, let it reverse from 1836, then only click on the buy button. When gold will be reaching the level of 1846.47, if you see price reversing, then only take the sell position, because keep in mind confirmation is important. Confirmation, okay, confirmation is the insurance. Yes, confirmation is the insurance of traders. So confirmation is extremely important. And if I take you to the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 70% retail traders are on the sell side. Most of the retail traders have taken sell position around 1805. So you all are in heavy loss right now. So my dear friend, if you have a sell position on gold right now, then keep in mind that there is more upside on gold. If gold crosses 1850, 1860, then please be careful and try to exit from your sell position. Because keep in mind, there is a famous saying, you should know when to jump off a ship. आपको पता चलना चाहिए कब नाव से कूदना है. So be careful, my dear friends. And as I said, nothing much to discuss on the chart of gold. Plus day trading, for day trading only. Short here, long, go for buy position here if you see proper reversal signs. And in case there is a sudden fall in the market today, if gold falls suddenly, or if you see heavy selling on gold today, then there is a good possibility of market bouncing from around 1830 level. 1830, yes, 1830 is a strong support right now for the chart of gold here. 1830 to 1828. Okay, so if market comes down to this level, there is a possibility of bounce as well. So these are the only levels on the chart. Let's see where the gold moves. Bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow with the analysis for the coming week.